Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to go over how you can find more people who are actually interested in what you have to offer on social media. And also, I'm going to be going over the low ticket and getting into the high ticket affiliate marketing, consulting, whatever that may be, events, digital products, and how you can go about doing that. So I'm going to give you like an example as to like maybe a product that I use that I'll go over, and then just the strategy behind this on something like Facebook. So stick with me to the very end because I'm going to be giving you some gems here, some things that you didn't know about before when it comes to the ways of attracting people who are actually interested in what you have to offer, stuff that you haven't heard of before. So one thing that I promote is like the one funnel away challenge. If you know about ClickFunnels, they have this one funnel away challenge. For 30 days, you can get in there and build your own online business, build your first or next funnel with them. And if you don't know much about that, I'll actually leave another video. If you're here watching this on YouTube, it should probably be down below on one of those offers, and the video about the one funnel away and just how I go about doing things like that and what it is actually about. But really what I want to get to is, what you're doing on social media, platform like Facebook. It's good to get on there and, post things up. But if you're just posting and nothing is coming about it, you're just wasting your time. It's like I referenced to when I started in SEO, when I started my blog. Well, I see a lot of people coming to my blog, but if they're not actually taking an action to go and purchase a product or go to sign up as a lead, I've kind of failed at doing that. So I had to tweak out a whole bunch of different things. So it's no different than when you are on like Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to spend some time here on Facebook talking about this. So, for example, the one funnel away challenge, it's kind of low ticket. I still call it high ticket. I mean, I'd like to reference high ticket 100 and above. It's usually like 1,000 and up, but we'll go with that. And we'll say that first of all, you need to stop going for other affiliates. What do I mean? So I see this time and time and again, and I've been a victim of this when I first started. I was friending a lot of people who were affiliate marketers, or people who were affiliate marketers were coming to me, and they were probably already ClickFunnels affiliates trying to promote ClickFunnels stuff. And so whenever I would post content on my newsfeed in my group, not so much, well, can be in my group too if I get too much of them. Also my business pages, it was like, wow, like I didn't get a reaction, or what, nobody like responded, or even when I got responses, it would just be from other affiliates. So you have to go through your Facebook list and clean it up. Cleanup is always something necessary, going in there and understanding. Sorry, I was a bit distracted. Taking care of my dog as well because he has had arthritis, so he's kind of limping right now at the moment, so I got to watch out for him. But you have to clean up your friends list, and you have to go through there and say, I don't want these affiliates in here. They're not going to contribute. They're not going to be my dream customer, the target audience. I mean, you can have a mix of them, but don't have them all, right? Because the more you post, you're posting how-to content, you're posting success stories, you're posting tips, you're then putting an offer out, and then nobody like looks at it or comments back. Big reason for that is because you're not targeting the right, you don't have the right people on your friends list. So you got to do a cleanup. And when you go and add people, make sure you're adding people who are your like dream customers, people who are like more so people who are in business already. Okay, it's not to say they have to be, but go for an audience that's already in business, because people who are in business are not going to complain about $100 product or $100 challenge. They're not going to think about it twice. They're going to say, yeah, I'll take it. What's $100? It's going to help me. I'm going to go and do it. Instead of people who are, I've been there before, and I know the feeling when you're going after people who are like, I don't have money to start. I don't know. I have all these hundreds of excuses. That's a waste of your time. Don't do that. It can be something you go off into, but you don't want to actually focus on that immediately. You want to focus on what's going to give you the higher gains and focus in on the audience that you're going to go ahead and capture. So One, clean up your audience, get the right people in mind. And by getting the right people in mind, you can go and search for on your friends, relevant friends. But most importantly, I have another video that I'll try to link to on how to use Facebook for affiliate marketing and other purposes. So going into relevant groups, posting in relevant groups, making yourself known, helping out, contributing, even at times friending people in there over time. And that's a good way to do it. And that's a good way to also bring in more people. But don't go in there immediately friending everybody. Go in there and contribute. People are going to come back to you. But there's more in that video so you understand the whole realm of how it works. Number 2, ClickFunnels. Russell Brunson kind of gives you the story already on how ClickFunnels came about, or how to get into the challenge, or how to promote one of their products, or whatever that may be. He kind of gives you already a storyline that you can use yourself in your own ways. I always prefer that you use your own stories, but you can use theirs. Like, he talks about how it's like upselling somebody on you buy a burger, they're going to upsell you on the fries and the Coke. You can use that to your advantage when you're posting on Facebook. Post that every now and then. Post a story like that, like websites are not everything. Funnels are the future. Here's the 5 tips why. And then the next week or in the next couple of days, you then post a success story about it, or you do something else, another 5 tips. And then, you're getting all this attention now, and people are going to start commenting on your work. And take notice of the people who comment the most, will leave you a bigger comment on your posts and stuff like that, because those are the people you might want to focus more of your attention on. These are people who are like, they need the help. So you can get to understand them more. Go to their newsfeed, see who they are, post on their own posts, and then reach out to them. You can even send them a messenger. I like doing that. I like sending them a messenger chat, be like, hey, Luis, or whoever their name is. I noticed, I've been following you for such a long time. We just haven't connected. And I noticed that you were an entrepreneur in this space, and just wanted to know, who's your ideal audience, or what is it that you're like, how's that going? And then you build a relationship. The whole point is to build the relationship. Okay, so you can use that storyline, like the upsell on the Coke, the fries and the Coke, to your advantage, and then move forward with that. And you can post it on your newsfeed, go on the Facebook Live, even your groups if you're doing things like that, but mix it up. So you're given that for something like the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is like $100. So be doing that. Get into that mindset. Now, let's switch over gears from that and talk about high ticket stuff, even more expensive things. So with this in mind, you still want to keep all the activities that you're doing, posting in groups, posting on your newsfeed, doing all this extra stuff that you're already doing. But then still look out for when you're posting relevant things on your newsfeed, right? You're posting relevant things to maybe your opportunity, your product, whatever that may be, but you're not giving away the product. And so when people comment, you can go and engage with that person, engage with them, get to know them better, add value to them, even go post on their own newsfeed, post on their own posts that they have, get to know them better. And then you can like jump on a messenger with them, give them a messenger chat to let them know that you're here. Hey, I know we've been friends again. Like, I know we've been friends for some time, and I noticed you were in this space as well as I am, or something like that, and thought I could help you understand better about how to find how to scale your business, or how to move forward with finding who your dream customer is. And then you get to build rapport with the person. You understand each other, and then you can talk about it. I don't always reach out to the person right away after I become friends with them. That's not the point. You want to start building content up, like on any other platform. And then you message them over time, maybe 2 to 3 weeks go by. And then, on your personal profile, you have a post about your offer or something else, and they can go in there. But you're IMing them, and you can get to help them out, solve their problems, answer their questions, what roadblocks they have, what results do they want, and then get to know them better. And then again, over time, reach out to them again, talk to them. You can even give them a low ticket product, like some of the ClickFunnels products, like copywriting secrets, expert secrets, .com secrets, whatever that may be, network marketing secrets. That's the OFA is even a thing. and then go even higher into products, those $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 ranges, and getting to understand that better. Okay, so that's how you would do it when it comes to something like those 2 steps: cleaning out your friends list, putting on people as your friends who are actually going to respond to you. Number 2, the scripts are kind of already given, so you can use those to your advantage. Posting is very important too. So, upsell, and, if you're trying to get somebody to use ClickFunnels, you put out a message. This is what happens when you buy a burger. You get upsold the fries and a Coke. So that's kind of like what funnels are, and that's how it would help you. And so then you go from there, and you want to post that over, be consistent with the messaging when you're doing that. So maybe after 2 weeks, you do it again. After another 3 weeks, you would do it. And then see it build up and change your content up. And then for the high ticket stuff, kind of doing the same thing. You're building out relationships with people, and then you're getting on a messenger, and you're able to close them out, or you're able just to send them more information. You can even offer them a lower ticket product like a book, free plus shipping, and they can get upsold on the higher ticket stuff. But then you want to follow up with them after you get them something for free plus shipping, free or free plus shipping, and then you follow up with them the next coming days. That's what I do a lot of the time on Facebook, and I do that a lot more also on Instagram. So hopefully you got a lot of value out of this video. I know it sounds easier said than done, but if you build up a constant, it's about building network, okay? Networking with people. If you're going to be on social media, you better start networking with people and stop spending so much time doing mindless activities that don't really amount to much, okay? So offering your help is one thing you want to do a lot of the time. That's going to take you into different places with affiliate marketing, okay? So hopefully that helped you out. Again, if you're watching this here on YouTube, make sure you look underneath in the description so that you get to see like the one funnel away. You get to understand high ticket affiliate marketing, understand the concepts that come with that, Facebook affiliate marketing. For me, I focus a lot of time also on SEO. That's where I started. But if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. I'm always here to help. I know it was kind of me more face-to-face, so I can always work with you one-on-one and help you understand strategies and how to approach different things. All right, that's it. Thank you.